Building construction classification. The construction activities in the field of architecture and civil engineering are divided into 7 groups: demolition and geotechnics, concrete, steel, masonry, insulation, openings, and finishing. The concrete specifications are divided into 5 sections: concrete materials and mixed design, concrete properties, concrete execution specifications, rebar execution specifications, special concretes. Building construction principles. Definition of characteristic strength. The characteristic compressive strength of concrete is the value that, according to the definition of probability, a maximum of 10% of the measured strengths of the structure can be less than. Standard method of determination and test requirements. The characteristic strength is determined based on testing on standard cylindrical samples, diameter 150 or 100 mm, at the age of 28 days. All sampling, manufacturing, curing and testing steps must be carried out exactly in accordance with the standard, otherwise, the results are not valid. If smaller samples are used, for example, diameter 100 mm, resistance conversion is not necessary, but the number of samples must be greater. The minimum characteristic strength for reinforced concrete is 20 MPa, and the maximum strengths measured in the workshop should not be more than 15 MPa higher than the characteristic strength of the project. Resistance age and its selection. The default characteristic strength age is 28 days. If another age, for example, 90 days, is determined by the structural consulting engineer, it must be justified and agreed upon by the employer and clearly stated in the technical documents of the project. In this case, the mixed design, construction and quality control are carried out based on that age. Changing the age 28 days after the start of the project is only possible with the permission of the designer and the agreement of the employer. Other strengths and documentation. If flexural or tensile strength is predicted in the specifications, it can be the basis for acceptance, but control through compressive strength, by determining the correlation relationship in advance, is recommended. The supervisory authority is required to maintain complete records of concrete tests, results and mixed designs, for at least 1 year after the completion of the work and deliver a paper and digital copy to the employer. Reference.